In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of restricting WooCommerce shipping by country, a valuable feature for WooCommerce store owners looking to tailor their shipping options to their business requirements. Let's dive right in. Once the plugin is activated, you'll be directed to a quick getting started guide to utilize quick tour video tutorial. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Manage Rules section, where you can add a new shipping method. For instance, I've already created an overnight shipping method for specific country. Here, you can add the shipping method's title, then customer's title and add the price here like $21. Now scroll down bottom. Here, in the shipping method rules section, define the rules, such as first select the country option from the drop-down here. Then, select the country like United States here. You can add other rules as well if required. I want to enable overnight shipping only for order above $299. Click this button Save Changes to save the settings. Settings have been saved now. Moving to the front end, let's add a few products to the cart. In this product detail page, add the 10 quantity in this text box. Then click Add to Cart button here. Product added to the cart. Click View Cart link here. On the cart page here, you'll notice that both overnight shipping and free shipping methods are available by default. As country is selected to United States. Now, let's demonstrate the restricted country scenario. When updating the country to France, only the free shipping option is displayed over here. As you can see, overnight shipping available only for United States. Let's select again the United States country from the list. And select state like California. Now, it will again showcase the both overnight and free shipping methods here. Next, we'll check the minimum order amount scenarios by reduce the product quantity. Let's change the product quantity to 5. Update the cart. Here you can see the order amount is less than $299. According to the overnight shipping method rules in the admin, the order amount should be at least $299. Otherwise, overnight shipping method will be removed from the list. Let me update the quantities to 9 to enable overnight shipping. Proceed for checkout by click here. In the checkout page, select the required details and select the overnight shipping from the list here. Then scroll down and click on the Place Order button here. As you can see, in the Thank You page, the order has been successfully placed with the selected shipping charges. For Premium Plugin and unparalleled support, visit the Dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. Thank you for watching.